Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about ChatGPT and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will click when you click on clear cache, then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will restart your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your